How to create a promo code on Etsy. The very first thing you want to do is to move into your site's Etsy.com. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this interface. Click on this microphone icon and then head over to Sales and Coupon. Now click on this new special offer. It will redirect you to this page. Over here it says Create Coupon. What you want to do is click on it. It will lead you to this page. Well, in this page, you'll be able to create your coupon. Fill up some of the informations and then you'll be done. First of all, you need to select minimum order to qualify. And then here it says, automatically send this coupon to buyers within 2 weeks after an order estimated delivery. You can click on this checkbox if you want to. Now you will have to select the duration of your coupon code. Or if you want to keep unlimited, click on this checkbox, no end date. Now you have to create your coupon number. Create the coupon code as you prefer. Once you have entered all of the details, click on Create at the bottom right corner. And then your coupon code or the promo code will be created successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to create promo code on Etsy. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And thank you for watching it till the end.